All right, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, very quickly, I'm going to show you how to create very high quality content and get unlimited amounts of it for your website and your blog. So one of the things that's common to do is to open up ChatGPT and ask it to write SEO optimized content. There's nothing wrong with that. The challenge with that, of course, is going to be, though, it's going to go out on the search engines. It's going to scrape content associated to what you're asking it, and it's going to create content that is already based upon what's out there. There's not a lot of uniqueness to it. So one of the ways that we can get around this is to leverage content on another platform, in particular YouTube, which is the second biggest search area for people, especially looking for how-to based content. So when we go to YouTube, no matter what we put in here, let's say, for example, how to replace a toilet, now we're going to get a lot of content out here that has not only the basic instructions on how to replace a toilet, but also putting in some unique perspectives. One of the benefits of using YouTube over just having ChatGPT going and looking online is that Google wants unique input, personal experiences, unique perspectives, etc. And that is hard to find when you're scraping content that already exists on Google, and YouTube is going to give us another alternative to have some unique content that is likely to rank even better. So what we're going to do is take this, I'm going to show you how to grab this content and actually turn it into something in terms of an SEO blog post. So we can go into YouTube, put that search query in, and let's just grab the first one here just for simplicity, which is going to be this Lowe's home improvement. We're going to go up here, we're going to copy that link address, and we're going to go over here to a website called YouTubetranscript.com. And what we're going to do is we're just going to paste in that URL and hit go. Now what it's going to do is it's going to give us a transcript of everything that was said in that video. We're going to go ahead and grab that transcript. Very easy, it's not super long. And then we're going to copy it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go into ChatGPT and we're going to prompt it to actually take this transcript and to write an SEO optimized blog post. So we're going to put that in there and then say, I'm create an SEO optimized blog post for the title, how to replace a toilet in a step-by-step format. Be sure to use related keywords and choose a conclusion and FAQ. Here is the transcript. And then we're going to paste that in there and then hit enter. Now what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to take that transcript and, utilizing this content as background information, write us an SEO optimized article. And we see here that it gives us a great title, an introduction, a table of contents, which is great, and it breaks it up into sections in steps. Then gives us final touches. We can continue generating because it didn't give us our conclusion. And also we have FAQs. Now one of the things that we want to do is we see that it didn't exactly give it to us in the format that we want. So we can actually go back to this and say, give me the HTML version. So what it'll do is it'll give us that information with our H1, our H2s, and also the list and so forth. So this will be ready to paste into WordPress under the text prompt, so we can use our HTML, okay? This is going to give you an unlimited ability to create content, high quality content that is different from what is normally found in the Google SERPs, and be able to allow you to take that exact same video that you just used and to post that inside of your content, inside your blog post, to give it some extra juice. So I hope that's helpful. This is one of my favorite methods for producing content. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified about future videos. Thanks for watching.